Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blockworld token. Now the Blockworld token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, February 7th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Blockworld token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a BEP20 token. You can find it on BSC scan, 18 decimal places on this token. Ticker symbol is BWT, and the name of the token is Blockworld token. Max total supply 300 million BWT tokens. Now, this token here has a web page, block-world.online. And over there, you can find a full white paper. You can find NFT information, characters, play to earn, ecosystem, token economy, roadmap, teams, partners, etc. Change the language, all sorts of links on there. There's a Telegram you can follow at Blockworld_official_chat that has over 53,000 members. Almost 3,000 of them are online right now. And on that Telegram, you can also find an announcement Telegram as well. So, huge project. They got a pretty big following on the socials there. Their Twitter is in the corner of the screen here at AI_Blockworld. 45,500 Twitter followers. Blue verified check mark. It has a link to their webpage right there as well. And it was just announced that this token will be listed today. February 7th, 8 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed, so it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search Blockworld, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I'm assuming there already was a token in the past that came out with the ticker symbol BWT. So on Mexc Global, you search Blockworld, all one word, that is the ticker symbol, and then you could easily find the token that way. Now, besides all of that, what is this project all about here? Well, first of all, it says a metaverse combining AI agents, NPCs, and GameFi for immersive, interactive, and rewarding virtual experiences. Now, there's a 26-page white paper. We're not going to go over all the information, just the basic stuff here. So it says here, in the existing society, game started as a small meeting in which players gathered together to engage in various activities through cooperation. Games play a role of relieving stress while cooperating and having fun, and have only acted as an incidental leisure activity in modern society. Now, recently, the game industry has begun to establish itself as one of the new economic industries and not just entertainment. While the game industry has grown in economic size, it also has been subdivided into various fields. Now, the segmented game industry has gradually expanded its position into the market and has now developed into one of the largest industries in modern society. So now we have metaverse, NFTs, and play-to-earn elements as well. And these are the hottest topics in the current game market. So most people know what NFTs are, Most people know what play to earn is. We don't need to go over that. But Blockworld game is a blockchain game that combines these elements of NFTs and play to earn. I mean, play to earn is pretty self-explanatory, and tries to advance into the market with users using various P2E and NFT elements to play cooperatively through a new guild system. We are aiming for a project that allows users to continuously explore through open world games, and at the same time, we started with the goal of gradually developing a game ecosystem through blockchain technology while satisfying the essence of games that relieve stress through a play-to-earn system that allows users to earn various profits while playing games at the same time. In line with the development of the overall game industry, Blockworld also intends to solve a problem of transparency, one of the problems of the existing game industry, by using the technology of decentralized blockchain through the transparency of smart contracts. Users who play the game can check at any time how and when the Blockworld token, the in-game currency, was transferred. In addition, by introducing the governance function of the blockchain, the final goal is to complete a DAO-type game platform created together with users. Now, metaverse, NFTs, and play-to-earn markets are emerging as the key words in blockchain games, and bring on a blockchain world to incorporate all three of those elements. Now, they have, it says their vision and mission of Blockworld's project. Through P2E and NFT elements, we aim to have a fun way that anyone can enjoy playing a game at any time, including economic elements that will be like a fun side job for anyone, and the game's philosophy of relieving existing stress. Kind of repeating themselves a little bit, but blockchain is a cooperative game, and if you look at the game, there are various cooperative party play elements that cannot be achieved alone, such as village contests and block raids. The ultimate goal is for users to achieve pleasure through cooperative play and to increase the cooperative spirit between users in the NFT market transactions, and it's basically a 3D pixel sandbox RPG, a role-playing game. You can learn more about this on the white paper. They have a little bit of team information on there that you could find. And they have here the NFT section on their page. You can actually see kind of like what the NFTs look like. They have the roadmap plan on here. Game concept and drawing, establish a detailed game concept ecosystem. Discussion of the underlying platform, game platform development, new partnerships, bring out the token, and then token staking and reward system development, token membership service, in-game NFT system, play-to-earn development, more partnerships, BWT token on central exchanges, and the NFT marketplace, and the game beta release. So go check out this token here. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.